We've got a quiz that we're just going to, again, just zip through. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 54 divided by 9 is 6. 56 divided by 7 is 8. 72 divided by 9 is also 8. 28 divided by 7 is 4. You do not need me to pause and explain every single one of these problems. Okay, so now we've got a practice on one-digit division called basic division, and we will go ahead and practice that. 25 divided by 5 is... Now, let's actually go through with these. And for every one of these 7 questions, I will attempt to use a different or somewhat novel way of thinking about it. So we'll start by skip counting. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The answer is 5. 8 divided by 2. If I have 8 dots, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I want to break them up evenly into 2 groups, each group will have 1, 2, 3, 4 in it. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 5. If I have 10 circles that are in 5 rows, each row would have 2 circles. 30 divided by 5. Divide by 10 is 3, times 2 is 6. Remember, dividing by 5 is the same thing as dividing by 10 and then multiplying by 2, or vice versa. Whatever is most convenient for you. 12 divided by 2. Let's see, how else do I want to look at this? Oh, yes. I could take this and make it, if I didn't know that it was 6 right off the top of my head, I could say that it is 10 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 2. Yeah? 10 divided by 2 and plus 2 divided by 2, that is distribution. If I happen to know that 10 divided by 2 is 5 and 2 divided by 2 is 1, then I can combine those to make 6. All correct, all good. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3, 6, 9, 12. I know I used that one before, but you know. 20 divided by 5. This time we will multiply by 2 first to get 40 and divide by 10 to get 4. And that's that. Basic division is done.